If you're in need of stump removal or emergency tree removal, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local stump and tree removal service, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and affordable. Whether you have a large, stubborn stump that you want removed from your yard, a tree that is rotting, or that has fallen onto your property, we can remove it for you. We are fully insured and licensed, and we have extensive experience working with large stumps or trees. Don't risk injury or damage to your home by trying to remove a stump or tree by yourself. Contact us now and let our tree and stump professionals safely remove them from your property.